So I am the element of cartoons and my video is Lola and I do gaming things and the gaming is pretty long and yeah. Please give me a comment that how to use the imagination so then I can make popular videos, I guess. And I don't know how to record the game good when you just play an iPad or phone or something. So yeah. So this is my first video for recording, so yeah. And my video is also playing toys. I play video like fighting enemies, being controller and other things, so yeah. And the next video is going to be house tour. I hope you guys gonna like it the next video, I guess. Oh, come on. Ah! I better get out here now.